Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to change the text selection color with CSS. What this means is when we have a text on our web page and we select some text with the help of mouse, then some color is displayed by default. I will just demonstrate you exactly what we are going to do. Say for example, I will take a new web HTML page. I will write some text here. I have written some dummy text here. I will run this text. See now, this is the text. So if I select something, it gives me blue color. This is the default color. So whatever question here is how to change the text selection color with CSS. So what this means is if I want to change this blue color to some different color, so how I'm going to do it? So we will look into the solution. I will demonstrate how we can achieve this. I will again go back to the HTML page. Now I have some dummy content here. I will copy this content. I will apply the paragraphs. I'm adding paragraph tags. So we have now 4 paragraphs. I will run this thing once. So this is our text. So currently if I highlight the text, it will show me in blue color. If I want to change this thing, we will write a CSS here. The CSS will be double colon and selection. So firstly I have used here 2 columns then selection. This is the style which we are to use. I will apply the background color as cyan. I will save the document. I will run it. Page is refreshed now. You can see the change now. It has turned to cyan. Firstly it was a blue color. So if I wanted to give red color, I will again go back to the document. I will apply the red color. I will again run the HTML document. Selection is red now. So I can give any different styles here. For example, if I wanted to change the color white here, I will refresh the document again. See, the color is white now. Firstly it was black. So we can give different CSS styles here by using the help of selection. So this is how we change the color, highlight color. This is the point number 1. Second point is for example, if I want in this same page, if I want 2 different colors, so how I'm going to do it? For example, in this whole document we have the red color. If I select something like this one, then I wanted a different color. So I will demonstrate how to do that. Firstly we will define a class here. For example, highlight color yellow. This is just a name of class. Then I will use the selection again and I will give background color as yellow. I will save and I have created this class. Now I have created this style. I will apply this class to, say for example, this text is there. Since I will create a span tag here, I will apply the class to the span tag. I will close the span tag. I will save the document. We will run again here. It is highlighted in yellow now, only this part, since the 1500s. Why? Because we have given a class, and this class has a different CSS style. So in this way we can apply different colors in the same document. So this was it for this video session. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.